So gang, we back for another trading day. Let's go. This Bubba, fat gap down, just triggered a short right there, which just happens to be off of this as well. 5-minute 200, below the 15-minute 200. Cleared all this price, has room to move. Cleared these MAs, has room to move. Yeah, I mean, I missed it already though. Entries here, stop here. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I'm gonna look to add back on the bar. Let's hopefully I could get 0575 at least. Ideally, I want my stop at 0650. Let's see if this could bounce a bit higher. Maybe here. I'll look for an add. Let's see. I wanted to add up on the way up into the bar because that bar is so nice. But I don't know if it's gonna go. I mean, it did go, but I missed it. Might have to go 2 lots on that hidden, which isn't ideal because now I gotta have max stop below this. Yeah, I wanted to add on the way up right here because this bar is so nice and solid. But I'm adding on this instead. Hidden color change with an event stop at around 80, 40-cent stop. So for some follow through, at least until this 200 right here. Ah, come on. We'll see if there's some rejection off of the 200, because this should be where I'm adding with the stop above the 200. Yeah, this is what I should have waited for. Fuck. I still feel bearish on this. If this bar starts dipping, I'm gonna add. And try again. We'll see though. Alright. Let's try it again. Yeah. Should have been patient. $0.50 stop. My stop's at the whole number. Oh, come on. If this confirms a color change right here, I'll look to add. If it doesn't, no add. See, my original trade idea was to add up into this 200 with the stop above the bar. Yeah, stopping out here is stupid as hell. It's just dumb. Cause like, you got this whole give zone, you got the 200 chilling right here. You shouldn't be stopping out there, you know? I'm still bearish on this, bro. These bars are not a violent and immediate reversal, so it's just giving me the idea that it's just pulling back for an ad. Waiting. Potential ad coming. The micro whale. Getting an ad there. 25 cents up is what? 61 plus 25? 86. My stop is chilling above this bar. So it either goes or we're out at 86. 86, I'll look to get out. 25 cents away from here. This has room to double dip on my ass, so it's definitely my fault if I stop out. But if it goes, then I have nice size on. Alright. I'm out of that. Still stopping out at a terrible location, but doesn't seem to be going. Really, bro? It's pretty nice on Disney. Bullish here. Boom, Gap fill and triggered. On the 5 it just triggered. JPM, gap fill, and kind of in the trap zone. Enough to make money though. Off this 200. Merck has some bullishness. If this is a 180, I'm taking that. If not, fuck that. Baba. Can I really short this after it gapped down like that? It's pretty wide. Disney might be the best looking one right now. Okay. Just need to wait on a pullback. This one's not going. Tried to short AMD. It's not going. This might clear right now, but it's right in that 200 zone. So I'm not sure. Wow. JPM one did trigger, it seems. Right here, with room to move down. And then the flat 15-minute 200, which could be nice. Merck for a potential 20-minute halt. This is nice on the 3-minute. Oh shit, AMD. It just triggered here. This might be the short we were waiting for. But it pulled back deeper than I wanted. Because this bar is so nice. This thing damn near almost retraced it all. That might be the short that we're waiting for. Our timing might have been off. Fuck, we missed Merck, bro. $40 minus 10, 30-cent bar. That's a tail bar plus right there. I'm gonna get terrible fills if I answer right now. But this is nice and bullish. You got the tail bar plus off the rising 8. Halting the MAs, holding it as support. Yeah. Wanted to go long on this sucker. Off this 8. Off this 20 as well. Oh shit. Potential trigger right here. Off the 8 of May. Oh, that 8 kinda ugly. That shit ain't even smooth. I need a smooth look. Ooh wee! That 2 minute on JPM was nice. Yeah, I'm telling you this was decent because you have this tail bar, you know, it's getting congested. That declining 8 is there. Boom, elephant bar. Off this 200, clearing this, and then staying below this. Have that evening star, which is right off this 200 as well. Flat ass 200. Shit's just straight following through. I mean, the first leg would have been the best here because by the time it gets down here, you're into this 200 already. So I should have already been in if I wanted to catch this, which has a decent risk to reward into the 200. Like a 3-to-1 trade. That's not bad. Apple on the 5 minute right now for a potential short. AMD busted up for no reason, just to do that shit. JPM's looking bearish, nice and bearish. Fuck. Merc, bro. Fucking hell. Should have just entered on that tail bar plus. In on this color change right here at 40. Stop here. I already got 1-to-1 right there. 20 MA halt right here. And now price is chilling back above the MAs. This shit's bullish. Got all the room to move on the lower time frame. Just on the hour is the whole number 107, but that shit's like $3 overhead. Not a problem. Oh fuck. This looks pretty good. Square. This is nice. First you put in a tail bar that didn't follow through. Filled the gap and you got this 180 right here. That's nice. Got a potential tail bar takeout right here. In at 64 in the 5 minute. Off the declining 8. 15 minute has room to move. We don't really have to look at the lower time frame. But yeah. Entries at 64. So we've been waiting for a short, but it hasn't been going short. Got this little pussy ass GBI right here. 20-cent bar. You know how those GBIs stop out mad quick. This is a 20-cent bar. Could try 4 lots on it at 76. Let's see. We'll see. If it takes it out immediately, we'll go 4 lots at 76. Yeah, nah, we're not doing that shit no more. Shit already fucking busted up. This was decent. Ooh, fuck. Missed the beautiful move, bro. On this sucker. 20-cent bar. A bit over. 4 lots. 4 lots here. The stop here. That's like 2 to 1 already. That shit's fucking beautiful follow through. The JPM short. I mean, that shit's beautiful too. Just gotta wait for a pullback now. Oh, here's the thing we've been waiting for. But I wouldn't really say this thing is trending quite yet. Like Merc, this thing is trending. This was the first 20 MA hold right here. Wait for the pullback. So I'm probably either gonna take a JPM short or a Merc long. Disney, I got it going long, but the other stocks just look better right now. Baba, potential short once this 20 MA catches up. And price stays under this 200 while this 8 catches up. AMD, I do have AMD short, but fuck, you know. Might just try one lot out here. You got dual tails. If they get taken out, then that's a pretty good sign, no? Oh, JPM inbound for the pullback. Should have just fucking taken it. It's your fucking fault, bitch. You know, you identified that shit on AMD and you took it. On Merc, you identified it, but you didn't take it. And that one just happened to be the winner, and the other ones happened to be the losers. So now you're missing out on the loser, and now you're still a loser. Because this, look at it, bro. Come on, bro, look at it. Got this little guy right here, 40-cent bar, triggering at 81, a 2-lotter. Potential 2-lotter here, under 81, under 82, I mean. Here we go for a potential 2-lotter. Hasn't color changed in a minute. This one would have color changed here, but didn't quite get it. This one would have color changed here, but didn't quite get it. This one triggers under at 81. 2 lots. Will this short finally go? Here we go. Let's try it. It triggered. You got 80. And it just triggered this 5-minute tail bar takeout as well. My stop's gonna be over the top at 23. Five more seconds. Hopefully we get a solid close here. Yeah, I mean, it closed below. Hope it follows through. Let me go ahead and journal these ones. And hopefully we get some follow through this time around. Because it did just catch on the rising 8 or declining 8 of the 5-minute as well, so hoping that's good news. Almost stopped us out right there. There we go. There we go. That's the momentum we need to see. Boom. Off that whole number. I think we should be chilling now. Now we just gotta look for ads. This was low-key a hidden color change. Or not low-key, it was a hidden color change. Was thinking of adding, but I'd be adding risk to I'd be adding without reducing risk, which in the long run doesn't turn out to be good. You want to reduce risk every time when you add. So I'm gonna just wait for this thing to clear here, get some height, maybe take some profits, and then just reposition myself to catch the next leg, because this looks like it has momentum now. But let's see. So far we got 1 push, 2 push, waiting for a 3rd one. Color change here, 1, 2. Yeah. Maybe the 104 whole number would be ideal. It's a nice fat bar. Let's see here. Take one off there. Fuck it. Got the new low. New low, take one off at about $1. And then this one should try to break even. Now we wait for a pullback to add. But this has room to move. This has room to drop down to like 104 here. JPM, little fake trigger over here, but I feel like this one is the real trigger. Boom, you got 50% entries here, over here, stops over the top. On the 5-minute, what that looks like is this. The tail bar off the declining 8, holding 50% of the prior leg. This still trading below the 200, super ideal. Then you got Merck. Has Merck pulled back? Merck is pulling back. Got the rising 8 over here, rising 20. Yeah. That was a pretty decent profit take. Kind of like an exhausting bar. Maybe could have taken 2 off, but lived through the pullback and shit, right? So whatever. 105.82, 105.82. Not really doing anything wrong. I did take 1 off for what I had. That was half of my position, and I have 1 left. I'm not supposed to big bar on the first leg, unless you count this as the second leg. Oh shit, maybe it is, because this gap down may have been the first leg, and then you treat this one as a second leg. Well, fuck. Not sure. But honestly, this doesn't look too good. No cap. This big bar should not have been wiped out like that. I mean, it kind of is an exhausting bar, and whatever. Moment of truth for Merc right here. That's kind of a fat pullback, I'm not gonna lie, but if this triggers, it's gonna be a beautiful trigger. Kind of picture perfect here. 80 over the top, 56 under, 55. That's a 25-cent bar, I think. Yeah. 4 lots. Shit is trading lower though, so not sure that it's gonna trigger. Maybe if it wicks up and closes a green body, I could trade it over the top for an even tighter entry. Hopefully this pullback slows down so the 20 catches up and my stock could just chill above. JPM triggered and seems to be following through. You would want to wait for the new low to take some profits. Disney long never materialized. Oh, Baba 20 is catching up now. This kind of looks nice. Bearish as fuck. Looks good on the 15-2 tail bar. Couldn't do anything, right into resistance. Color change, boom. Color change, boom. A bit messy here, but once it's back below and time frames are aligned, you can start looking for shorts. Merc is officially messy. Could still have a decent look on the 30-minute, but hopefully I just get an ad on AMD and I could just, you know, monitor one stock. Don't have to switch around. I'll be back if this thing triggers. It's tailing out here. We might have an ad on our hands. Right here. Let's see. Go ahead and add 2 lots there. And I'll just move my stop to event. Probably could have had an earlier entry. But it's fine. Trade this down to the 200 now. And hopefully get our take profit there. Our stop is at 60. Over the top. Which will be a, what is it? 60 minus 38. 22-cent stop on 3 lots. 66. Just trying to add to my winner, and it did trigger. First of all, this thing's like a tail bar plus. Second, if it wasn't, it triggered under this bar's low, and it triggered under this color change near the 20. So just waiting for follow through now. Hopefully I get follow through. Otherwise, we might be taking an L. That doesn't look good. I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't look good. This is off the 8. I don't know if it could hold the 8. A man can hope. Be back. I'll update y'all what happens. By the looks of it, I'll probably stop out, but I might get lucky and price my trade back below. But like, look at the 20. It doesn't look good anymore. Oh fuck. Shit's flat now, which isn't too good of a look. And if this keeps trading over the 8, then I'm fucked. It needs to trade lower, get back below the 8, and I'm okay, but otherwise I'm not okay. It's right into the 3-minute 200, it seems. I mean, didn't even notice, but fuck, it might be the 3-minute 200. But it's okay, because I traded here, have my stop over the pivot. If it was supposed to follow through, it didn't, so I'm gonna take my stop there. Didn't get as much follow through as I wanted. And we took an L there. Yeah. I don't even want to short this because it's into the 200. And this shit like flattening out. Which is kind of weird. This just has a flat look to it. Not intrigued by it. Shit, and this shit was bearish. I mean, bullish as hell, and now it's just bearish. What time was this? 10? At 10, this shit just switched up like that. Boom. S-Books. Potential trade on S-Books right here. I don't know if I like it because it's bouncing off the 200. AMD might trigger again. Shit is in the 50% still, I believe, right here. But the fucking MA is so ugly. But looking at price from what I added, right? Stop over the top, that's the double dip. If it triggers again, then I don't know, it might go again. Could try it. Triggering under this bar's low, 72 minus 45. A three lotter. I'm conflicted as hell because that 20 is flat now. If it trades over the top, then if it trades 72, if it prints 72, then nah. Won't be taking a trade. But if this wicks down right now and makes a tail, that might have a potential bearish look to it. Psych. Wait for this thing to base out to the 20 and maybe we got a trade. Merc. S-Books. Nothing looks that good right now, to be honest. S-Books with the potential short. But I don't know, man. On the 5-minute, we got what looks like an elephant surging off of the 200 with room to move back to the 20. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty smooth on the 3-minute. 2-minute, a bit messy. If this triggers, I want to take it. I mean, I can't. The risk to reward is terrible. Your risk is into this 200. Your reward is 20. I mean, your risk is this. Your reward is into the 200. Unless you give me like a fucking 20-cent bar right here that gives me like 5 bars into the 200, then fine, but I can't take a trade off the 2-minute. This is just fugly. Have to wait until it starts trending again. I mean, that Merc one would have paid though. So I just been sitting here journaling my trades. Yeah, I look back, I could see this as a first leg. If I saw it like that, the trade would have been here. And you're looking to take profits on that new low. You got 105 right here, perfect target. Take that and out. So essentially, you're just gonna trade one leg, which, you know, in hindsight, it looks better. Potential head and shoulders here. But yeah, I can't really do anything with this right now. It's sloppy. I got played. You know, I thought price was finally showing bearish momentum. Added on the pullback, stop over the top. Got like this much follow through. Or added a bit late actually, kind of like here. And then, Yeah. Shit just didn't follow through. Look, this shit's all green. Yeah, you got this. Failed new low. It's probably making a high actually. I mean a higher low. You know, starting that head and shoulders thing. But then the higher time frames is just not aligned. You got resistance coming overhead. Three-minute seems to have broken up, but you got a little fake trigger right here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I don't know if I would say fake. It hasn't stopped out yet, because you could enter it here with the stop here. But I mean, you haven't gotten follow through either. So who knows? Apple. I mean, this shit ain't really trending. I don't see higher highs, higher lows. This shit's kind of equal. Kind of like a wedge type shit. Hit the 20 again though, and I don't know, it might drop now for real. Another color change on the 15. Maybe potential to drop. If it could drop below this pivot and then come back and retest, then maybe I'll look for an ad there. Because we got resistance here. I mean, at this point, if I want it to break through, then I'm probably going to have to wait for it to break through here as well. Show me some real momentum. 20, start declining, and then break and retest, and then I'll enter in the retest. Bob was flat, CVX slowly going up, Disney flat, JPM flat, Merck. Hey man, I'm telling you, Merck would have paid. This shit was nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like 4 hours to the top. Would have made money today if I caught that. Oh shit. That's the S-Bucks one, huh? That we didn't sit for. Square. A bit messy. The best one is S-Bucks right now, man. So we didn't sit for this one. Did we? How would we have entered on this? Let me see. Well, shit gets sloppy, right? If you triggered it on this, you did get nicked out, right? That did nick you out, but it triggered again. If you didn't enter on that and wanted to wait for price to actually close below, this one closes below. The next bar, you get a hidden color change right here. So your ad could have been there. Stop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a fat winner. That's a fat winner. And then this shit kind of trading into the 200. Oh yeah, I remember. The look on this was that it looked like it was a bounce off the 200. Yeah. But it looks like it held. The 3-minute, look, when we put on the 3-minute, this shit probably looks so much cleaner. The 20 is probably smoothly declining, and look. Yeah. Look at that shit. Shit's perfect on the 3-minute. First bar you do nothing, second bar is a tail bar, didn't trigger yet, but boom, you get your color change. Stops over the top. Could add on this color change. Have a separate event stop. This may have been enough to take profit, but if it's not, I mean, you're waiting. Boom, boom, hasn't triggered. This one low-key triggered, but I normally like it more on the 20, so this one looks better. But yeah, boom, Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's fucking nice. Like, look, this is an actual trend, okay? Look at Apple. Bruh. AMD. Bruh. Baba. Bruh. CVX. Bruh. Disney. Bruh. JPM. Bruh. Merck. I mean, this shit has momentum, but it's like not clean. Chopping up and down in between the MAs. This one, like, this shit is so fucking clean, bro. Square, bro. UL, bro. Alright. S-Bucks, if I could get a pullback right now, then I'd love to find a short entry. This shit is just clean from the very beginning, to be honest. Tail bar color change. Color changes, tail bars. Color change. Straight follow through. I don't think bar by bar even broke yet. Let's see. Not yet. Yeah, that's fucking beautiful. So wait for a pullback on this, and if not, then we might just have to chill for the day. Look at the look that this Disney 15-minute is giving me. I mean, this is obviously an uptrend. And price hasn't triggered over the high of any of these bars yet. So am I right now in 3 minutes for 15-minute long. Merck for real went crazy though. It triggered here that long. I thought it was bullish, but that shit just, I don't know where this is bouncing off of. Oh, that daily 20, bro. That daily has been in a downtrend though. Cause damn. Boom. Smoothly declining 20. I mean, beautiful tail bar. This, what does this tell us? The next few days on Merck will probably be bearish days. Damn. Let's see, Disney. $50 divided by 13. I mean, 50 minus 13. What is that? Like a 40-cent bar. I could do 2 lots on this at 51. Yeah, it's never triggered. $51. Just give this a try off the 15-minute. Didn't trigger. Did not trigger. Did not trigger. Did not trigger. Did not trigger. And now it's finally triggering over the top on the rising 20. So I got a 15-minute trade going on here. Bit of slippage. Entry should have been 51, but 2 lots would have stopped at 12. Yeah, that's like a 40-cent stop on each, 41 cent. That's good. S-Buck is basing out or drifting back a little. 20's catching up. 8's catching up. Potential trade there. Hey gang, so this is a 15-minute trade, so it's just a higher time frame trade, so it just is going to be a longer time horizon for the trade to wrap up. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Hopefully it follows through. Got a little pullback going on right now on the 2-minute, so hopefully price is able to hold at least the 20 if it's not going to hold this 8. We got the rising 8 right here. I mean, hopefully it just goes from here. That'd be the best. AMD looks like that shit's finally dropping. Just messy, but buy here, drop below. Trigger here. This may have wicked out, barely 45. S plus trigger. Oh no, that shit busted the fuck up. Let's see. Have a nice pullback on the 5. Potential trigger off the 5 minute 20. Bob was 15-minute 8s finally caught up. Thought JPM was gonna go down, but that shit back up. So who knows about that little guy? Mark. Yeah, S-Bucks I think is still bearish, even though the 2-minute is messy. 5-minute is bearish. Square, yeah, in the trap zone on the 15. This is messy on the 2. See if we could get a cleaner look on the 3 here. Maybe get a cleaner look. Hasn't triggered over 78 yet. Hasn't triggered over 76. Hasn't triggered over 69. And this one is 66. So let's see if we get an ad here, maybe. Potential trigger over the top right here on the 3-minute at 67. Real tight bar. My stop would have to be at 56. I honestly could put the rest of the size on that if I wanted. But yeah, I want it to show me 67. And I'll put 8 lots on that. Three-minute ad off the rising 8. Pullback yet to trigger. Let's see if we get it. 67. Got 64. It's gonna be a real tight ad though. Oh, this shit might trigger over the top of this one. 65. 65. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Tripping. 10-cent stop at 53. I'll just put an event stop at 56. It stops out, it stops out. Because I triggered off of this tiny bar right here. 65. Got my entries at 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 at 66 it seems. So my stop is at 1 cent under 57. So 1,000 at 56. And obviously guys, this is gonna stop out way quicker if it doesn't work, but if it goes, I'm gonna make like 8 times the money because I have 8 more lots. So getting decent follow through here, hoping that it could continue through, because I have a really tight entry here. It's not enough for me to break even yet. I would want to see a high over this, and realistically I want to see continuation of this bar because it closed pretty solid. I could break even, I guess, but that'd be pretty tight. I have about a 7-cent stop right now, I believe. 4 cents to 60 and 3 on top of that, 7 cents, yeah. I don't believe this bar should be taken out, this one, 63. So I think I'm gonna move my stop under that at 62. To be honest, I would have already expected this thing to follow through, but it's kind of struggling. If this is able to trade over 80, that'd be the best case. It already tried to break these highs here at 78, which it kind of did. This one closed at 80. It should have gone further though, but gave me a red bar instead. So if this next bar could color change and trade way above 80, that'd be super ideal, but I don't think that this bar should be taken out, this big green bar. I mean, it's a clearing bar that just cleared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars of price action. Hasn't printed 81 yet. It is trading at around 80 though. If it prints above 80, then the next bar follows through. Then I'll just move my stop to break even. So we got 81 finally. The next 30 seconds we'll see what this does. Yeah, hoping this goes a long way because I got 1,000 shares on. Could make a lot of money today, man. A lot. Got 81, just barely. 82. Hoping for follow through. Here's 83. Can we get a clearing bar through 84? I'm gonna just go ahead and break even on this. You know how price be, got slippage and shit. If I get slipped 3 cents on this, I have 1,000 shares. I could lose $30 on this just because of slippage, and it's pretty stupid, but yeah, that's how that shit work. Disney is an $80 stock, so typically any stock $50 or greater, I'm looking for 50 cents. Now I only got 20 cents. So yeah. Not appreciating how this thing is tailing out right here. Would have liked it better if it just closed above. But shit seems to want to do that instead. What I was going to do was once it hits 84, I was going to lock in 3 cents over my break even just to make up for slippage or anything, and then just let this thing run. But I might just do that anyways. Because this is a color change that I could put my stop under. 68. Look, if this takes out this tail bar, that'd be super ideal again. 3 minutes basing out. Hopefully it's basing out. And when the 8 catches up again, bust up. Otherwise, we'd essentially be out on the break of the 8. Which is kind of sad because our position is loaded right now. If it just pops up, it'd be nice. Stop is about halfway between the 8 and 20 now, so while I'm trailing the 8, why? Because shit, it held the 8 before, so I'm expecting it to hold the 8 again. Simple as that. And I mean, I had that 15-minute bias, that long bias, trying to trade it up to these highs, 84.50. But I don't know if I could get there before it like either nicks me out. Overall, I see price higher, but I need a big bar so that I'm safe, because it's still borderline right now. If this thing closes solid at its highs, then oh, that's pretty nice. I was thinking I could trail my stop under 76 maybe. See if price trades over the high. If it does, if it gives me 95, I'll move my stop above. Basically trailing the 8 again, because the low of that bar is just right under the 8, 76. But I'd be locking in 13 cents a lot. 130 bucks ish. I'll move it if I get this thing clearing above 95. $79, $78, $77. Hopefully we get 95 right now. Kind of nice because got the old high, this thing based out and held above, holding it as support. So price should look a bit higher. For now, I'll move my stop below these, 69, like 3 more cents below this color change. Okay, so I said if it got 95, I think I'd move. The high of this bar is 94. It did just hit 95. It's pulling off. But if it breaks this base right here, 79, 78, 77, 76. I mean, I don't think I should let it fall back that far. Let's see, 76. And so far, this 79, the last four bars or so, this one was only got 79. This one got 78 for the low. This one got 77 for the low. The low of this one is 89. So I don't think it should be able to get 76. I don't want to get stopped out though. Yeah, I got my stop below this pivot on the 2. Might stop out. Might stop out. Okay. Stopped out. What I didn't want to do. Yeah, I think that's a break of the 8. Most definitely. Time's 8:45. It's way past 8:30. I'm gonna just call it a day. Nothing's really trending. I'm gonna just call it a day. I'm gonna hit some homework right now and catch up on shit. So we got no open orders. Disney, nothing. AMD, nothing. Taking a small loss today. Thank you guys.